What are the most common electrical faults in commercial buildings? First, earth faults occur when electrical current unintentionally flows to ground, creating safety risks and possible equipment interruptions. Second, insulation failure can cause leakage currents, short circuits, and equipment damage. Third, loose electrical connections can create overheating, arcing, and premature component failure. Fourth, circuit overloads generate excessive heat and may damage cables and electrical equipment. Besides proper installation and maintenance, surge protection is an important part of improving electrical system reliability. At Eprotek, we provide surge protection solutions designed to help protect commercial and industrial electrical systems from transient overvoltages. Need surge protection for your application? Contact Eprotek.